In this video, we will explain to you how to use TRIOS Practice Lab design tools. Practice Lab solution is a complete digital workflow with fully integrated CAD/CAM module. That solution is dedicated to dental practices that would like to keep in-house production of restorations like crowns, inlays, onlays, veneers, and bridges. To get to the designing tools while being in the crown module, simply click Next after the insertion direction is done. Anatomy design step automatically creates and places a valid design. On the right side of the screen, you have got a range of tools which can help you while designing your restoration. There are Preparation, Antagonist, Active Item, Center View Clipping, Show Texture on Model, Show Texture on Crowns, Show Distance Map, Minimum Thickness Surface. The first thing you can do is to choose the Smile library that you prefer. Just click on the Choosing Smile Library icon and select the one you like. Browse for the necessary library by scrolling up and down. When the desired model is found, click on it to save the changes and close the Smile library window. Now let's get to the tools. The Transform tool allows you to move, scale, and rotate the model using points on the design. To move your restoration, click on any point of the tooth and drag it sideways. Depending on the view, rotate and tilt the tooth by clicking and dragging one of the red points. The adjacent arrows illustrate the direction of the orientation. Remember that at any time during the design, you can use the Undo and Redo options. Drag the green points to change the shape of the whole tooth by moving it sideways, back and forth, or up and down, depending on the view. Next, you've got the Morph tool. By using this, you can move points on the tooth in the desired direction. Hold Shift and scroll the mouse wheel to change the radius of the affected area. The net around the cursor shows in what direction the morphing is applied. Alternatively, you can also use a slider in the design window to change the radius of the tool. Let's move to the wax knife. Use the wax knife tool to add and remove material to and from the design, and to smooth its surface. Choose one of the three options and click on the design to apply the operation. Use Shift and scroll the mouse wheel to change the radius of the tool. Apart from those three buttons, the wax knife also has the threshold buttons that limits adding and removing material to the value set with the sliding bar. Under the numbers below the threshold, you have got different sets for the wax knife. The first two are for adding material, the next three for removing, and the last one is for smoothing. Another tool here is Contacts. It allows you to make some adjustments and set the necessary parameters for the restoration. Under Contacts, you can use the Adjacent tool that allows you to adjust contacts with the adjacent teeth by adding or removing a set value to the design. The Occlusal tool cuts distance to the antagonist. Simply set its value and press the green play button. In the last group of tools, called Automatic tools, you have the possibility to enforce minimal thickness to the required value, so the restoration won't break during the production. Also, here you can click Auto Design to have the optimal design calculated by the software. However, if you would like to redesign your restoration, click New Design. To have your design connected to the margin line, click Reconnect to Margin Line. Among the anatomy design tools, you will also find the virtual dynamic articulator that allows you to check and adjust your design in dynamic occlusion. Just click on it and then run the articulation. If it is necessary, you can adjust the design. Once your design is ready, go to the CAM module. Now you have learned how to use the design tools. Thank you for watching.